She has more than 50 million fans in China, on Youku and Weibo, and another 10 million overseas on YouTube. But she remains a mystery to many of them. In her videos, she doesn't speak and she rarely gives interviews. In today's society, many people feel stressed. They face a lot of pressure in life and at work. I want you to relax and experience something nice to take away some of your anxiety and stress. Wouldn't that be nice? Li Ziqi said. Who is Li Ziqi? Her life seems straight out of a fairy tale. Li Ziqi has more than 10 million fans who watch her videos, where she apparently does everything from scratch with her own hands, from dyeing a dress with fresh grape juice to creating the traditional lipstick, from roses in her garden to foraging on horseback in order to prepare one delicious, exquisite meal after another. Her life story: Li lives in the rural Sichuan province in southwest China, where she also grew up. Li Ziqi did not have a happy childhood. Their parents divorced when she was a child and her father died early, and she had to live with her stepmother for a while. Li Ziqi says she came to live with her grandparents after her stepmother mistreated her. But they were poor, so when she turned 14, she dropped out of school and took various jobs in the city to support her family. Li struggled very hard to survive. She starved and slept in a cave under a bridge, worked as a waitress, electrician, and she even worked as a nightclub DJ. In 2012, her grandmother was diagnosed with a serious illness, and Li decided to return to the countryside to take care of her grandmother. Her grandmother is the most important person in her life. 4 years later, she started filming her life there. Li Ziqi started uploading their videos on Meipai in 2015. It was there that she gained her first fans and began to be noticed. In 2016, she posted her videos on Weibo, and his number of followers grew enormously. Soon after, in 2017, she became an internet celebrity in China, being known as an Oriental foodie lifestyle. What inspires her? When I worked in the city, it was about surviving. Now, when I work in the countryside, I feel like I'm truly living. When I make my videos, I want to start with an angle which I am familiar with. What do I want to bring to the audience? It is not that complicated. I just want people in the city to know where their food comes from. Li Ziqi said. A teacher friend once told me about some students who thought rice grew from trees. Really? Yes. So I want the city kids to know where their food comes from. The dishes she prepares range from a single seasoning to even elaborate multi-course meals. But whatever she makes, she leaves no stone unturned, going so far like to raise baby ducklings just to make a sauce with the salted duck eggs. Some jokes she has given a new meaning to the phrase "from scratch." Some of her recipes are wholly original. In the video, she uses magnolia flowers to make pastries and even fries the flowers. In addition to food, she is also known for her videos demonstrating traditional crafts, like building the bamboo furniture set, which she said was inspired by one of her grandfather's old benches. Li Ziqi said, "When I was a kid, my grandfather made everyday items with bamboo and sold them at the market. He knew how to make things like chairs, stools, fans, baskets, trash cans. I always helped him while he was making them. Now, when I recall those moments with my grandfather, this scene always comes to my mind." Her stylized representations of rural life stand out in China's ultra-competitive field of online videos. The market has become lucrative, estimated to be worth $6.5 billion. Her thoughtful and ethereal tech has struck a chord with young people hustling in China's big cities. How does she make her videos? In the beginning, I did everything by myself, Li Ziqi said. I'd set up a tripod, go there, film, and press stop. That is why all my shots are on a tripod and do not move. And that's why my videos are still filmed this way. But Li is not without controversy. Some viewers have been skeptical of her claim that she started as a one-woman band. 2 years ago, Li posted a behind-the-scenes video to refute those claims. I once uploaded a video that shows how I used to film, but some people just said, "You are making a fuss about how hard you are working. Are you trying to get sympathy from people?" she said. When I saw those negative comments, I couldn't be bothered to respond. Li says she now works with a videographer and one assistant, but she's still the decision maker, calling the shots. From the very beginning, I have always been the director of my videos, from what to film and how to film to how the shot is framed. Often my videographer only knows what he's filming on the day of the shoot. Now I just want to film and focus on my content. Other things don't affect me as much. I will see these so-called attacks as validation of my work, Li Ziqi said. Today, 3 years after she first picked up the camera, Li is one of the most successful online video creators in China. Success is a heavy word. I just filming my life, or rather, I just filming the life I want. This also means that I feel a greater sense of the responsibility. I have to work harder and do things that are meaningful, Li Ziqi said. Li Ziqi's net worth and streams of revenue. Li Ziqi's total YouTube revenue so far is estimated between $7 to $8 million. Apart from other Chinese video platforms, she also has an online store where she sells food and other products handmade by herself. In Li Ziqi's store, you can buy sauces and condiments that she prepares herself in her videos. Also honey, teas, lotus root powdered pudding, a hamzy shirt, and even her famous wrought iron knife. Why is Li Ziqi so popular? The world she lives in, the world she shows us, is completely different from the busy industrial cities and the modern cities in which the majority of her audience lives in. So when we watch her videos, it's kind of an escape from our stressful and high expectation lifestyle of our day-to-day lives. Many of us feel a connection to those images of the countryside because they represent the values of community, purity, and honesty. And they also give us an emotional break from the materialism, competition, money, and greed that characterize our modern urban societies. And for those overseas audience, Li Ziqi's approach to China is completely opposite to what we are used to. Its factories and modern buildings contrast beautifully with the rural landscape where everything is handmade. Similar trends can be found in the Western world, where people choose to live in a more sustainable way or homestead living. And hey, if this is your first time here, it's Eric with AStarBorn. Welcome to my channel. If you are searching for trending topics, business ideas, and wondering how to grow your influence online, this is for you. And now, appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button, as I will share more content like this. I'm Eric. See you in the next video.